how to turn on or turn off photos and videos backup to Google Drive on Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. From here, we then scroll down and tap on accounts and backup. Next, tap on backup data. Then we go down to the backup details section and tap on photos and videos. At the top here, to turn on backup, simply tap on the toggle button to turn it on. Here's a backup photos and videos in your camera folder. Also, you can choose to backup only favorites. So here's a backup only photos that you have favorite. So you can turn it on or you can switch it off as well. And after that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.